The quarterfinal matchups Canada should avoid. Who should Canada avoid in the 2026 World Cup quarterfinals? Canada at the 2026 World Cup. The dream run is on. But if the Reggae Boys, the Maple Leafs make it to the quarterfinals, who should they absolutely avoid to keep that dream alive? Section 1, 0:15 to 0:45. Narrator. Let's get real. If Canada reaches the quarterfinals in 2026, that's already historic. But to go one step further and make the semifinals, they'll need to dodge some of the biggest sharks in the football ocean. Here are the teams Canada would want to avoid, like a red card in the first 5 minutes. Argentina, ranked number 1, defending champs, Messi or no Messi, they're lethal. Spain, number 2 in the world, masters of possession and pressure. France, number 3, packed with elite talent from Mbappe to Camavinga. England, number 4, and always a threat with their set pieces and depth. Brazil, number 5. The Samba Kings have 1 goal, title number 6. Portugal, number 7, still dangerous with or without Ronaldo. Germany, number 10, and always bounce back stronger after a bad tournament. Section 3, 1:30 turning to 2, Serbia, narrator. These nations don't just win games, they dominate tournaments. Their squads have world-class depth, insane tactical discipline, and something Canada's still building. Serious knockout round experience. Cut to footage of Canada's performance in 2022 and Nations League. Section 4, 2:22-30. Narrator. So, what's the move? If Canada wants to reach the semifinals, they'll need a favorable draw, disciplined performances, and to hopefully miss these football giants in the quarterfinal. Outro, 2:30-3. Narrator. Who do you think Canada has the best shot at beating in the knockout rounds? Drop your picks in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We're tracking Canada's 2026 World Cup journey every step of the way. Outro music with Canada flag waving and stadium crowd cheering.